Hello, this is Alodra Santos, and today we're going to go through the process of updating the list or location lists of schools, camps, ECD centers, or whatever other list you may want to upload. Um, the example that I'm showing you now is from Zambia. Most of the most of the ODK forms around MEQA are in the SMAP server. In this particular instance, Zambia has their own server, and which is why we are here, but each country would have their own credentials as well. I'm already logged in, and to begin, let's go to the admin page. As you can see here, there's many different forms that have been uploaded, and we are under the project MEQA. The location lists are found here in shared resources. So I will go there. As you can see, I have the list of camps, ECD, and schools. And because of the way that these lists speak to both the app and the Power BI, we've arranged it in such a way that a list needs to be in two different versions. One that's as just camps.csv, because this is the list that the app looks at, and then camps_Zambia. This is the list that the Power BI file looks at. Now, it is possible to just use one list. However, it creates bugs in the system, because if we don't, in Power BI, if we don't notify that it is Zambia, then it's most probable that there will be bugs, because Power BI then gets confused with a number of countries. Okay, so let's get started. You can see here that the last time it was changed was last December. No, was it December? No, last September, September 12th. So how do we download it? First, how do we update it? First, let's make sure that we have the most updated list. So I'm going to click on this icon, and then it will download. I'll open this, and as you can see, this is the most current list. So we'll best to work with this. It's also very important not to change the labels of the column, because the ODK files are programmed to see those. Okay. We must make sure that we save it as a CSV file. It's very important. And I will save it for now. Okay. Let's say I just want to add, I see that there's no practice here. So let's say that I just want to add a practice. I'll do a 999. I'll say this is practice. I'll give a code of 999 as well. And everything will be practice, so that every time or when you open the app, you'll have that code and name that says practice. So I'm saving it again. Now it's a new file with the new item of practice, which I have done. But in your case, you might be able to update the list, add new schools, in which case, what I do recommend is that make sure that each school has a unique ID number. What does that mean? Sometimes you might want to delete a camp, and then add a new one. Don't give them the same number. Just give them a new number. That's okay, because anyway, the Power BI, the dashboard, the way it's programmed, it will just count the unique ID numbers. Let's add a filter here so that we're looking at the most smallest to largest. So as I can see here, let's see. Oop. It's now gone past 3,000 and now into 4,000s. So if you wanted to add new ones, just assign the next number of 4151, And if you want to delete something, just delete it. You don't need to replace the number. It's very important that unique ID numbers are given. Okay, so there we have it. One thing that is also a common mistake is, well, we need to make sure that all the numbers here are unique. A way to check it is conditional formatting, and let's ask to highlight cells if they're duplicate values. Ooh, I see that there was already a practice before, which is fine. Let's just delete one now. But for the rest, do we check? Yep, no duplicates. That's good. Okay, another one I saw is that there are several down here below with no... Was that right? It seemed that something was missing. Yeah, there are several here that don't have an ADP name. I'm not going to fill it up right now because I don't know what they are, but it's good to put the ADP name, or else those will become empty in the app. So I'm saving it as camps, but remember, we also want to save another version that is, we want to save another version that is camps_Zambia, and we will upload both of them. So it's now in my files. Let's go back here and I will upload it. Oh, add file. First add file. Then let's go to the downloads where I have it. I have both here. I will open it. I see it here. Now it's time to upload. There you go. So the next time that you refresh the MEQA app, this should show. And the next time that the Power BI also refreshes, this will also show, or then changes you have will show. Okay, hope that helps.